Hey guys, so today I want to show you two new modifications that I completed. I've been getting some good feedback on these modifications and I love showing you guys what work I've completed. So today's video is not sponsored by this company, but I am featuring it in this video anyways because they make fantastic products. The products are from LUMED ceramic bezel inserts. So here are the modifications that I've completed. These are once again Seiko SKX modifications. What's been done to these watches is the ones on the left and right are modified. The one in the middle is a stock one for you to compare. The modified watches have ceramic bezel inserts that are lumed. They both have double domed blue AR sapphire crystals, and the movement has been upgraded to an NH36 so that they have hand winding and hacking abilities. So let's take a look at the one on the right. This one is a little bit more standard to the original SKX. The style of the ceramic bezel insert is more reminiscent of the original Seiko SKX bezel insert. We have indices going around the circumference of the bezel insert, along with some numerals at every 10 minutes. So they have the same hands, same dial, different movement, different crystals, different bezel inserts. The stock SKX bezel insert is aluminum, and they are not lumed. The ceramic, obviously ceramic, and it is lumed. This watch also has the upgraded movement, so let's unscrew it. It winds, and if you look at the second hand, it hacks. You can also pick up the blue AR on the crystal. It's really pretty. And that matches the dark navy blue shade of the bezel insert. So the bezel operates as it should. It's just a really nice watch. On the left, a very similar watch, just a different style bezel insert, also lumed and ceramic. This one is more reminiscent of the Omega Pacific Ocean bezel. Also just as cool. And this one also has the movement upgrade, so I can give it a quick charge so we see that the second hand isn't moving. And there it goes. It also hacks. So another cool bezel insert and a really nice upgraded version of the Seiko SKX. So I'll show you guys a lume shot of the bezel inserts along with the hands and the dial. They really do glow really strongly and it matches the shade of green that the hand and the dial is, so it looks like it's original to the watch. The extra lume is really fun, and in many cases throughout the day, even if it's not dark, I can see that the bezel insert shines along with the dial and hands. So when you purchase these bezel inserts, they come well protected in these plastic cases, and you also get some 3M double-sided tape to use. However, I don't really like these because they add a little bit of thickness to cause the bezel insert to be raised up. I like to use contact cement, and I have a video on showing you how to take off the bezel, how to replace the bezel insert. You can watch that tutorial by clicking the link right there. But yeah, just another quick feature for these two watches. They look really nice. It's definitely a subtle change to the watch, not too extreme. It still looks like a Seiko SKX. However, the bezel insert and the double domed blue AR sapphire crystal, along with the movement upgrade, is really cool. So that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this short video. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. I post more modification videos like this, tutorials, unboxing, reviews, etc, etc. Also, check me out on Instagram. I post a lot of cool pictures of the work that I'm doing, along with wrist checks, some watch photos, watch porn. So that's about it. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.